Are you thinking to start coding but feeling confused about which language to choose? Or maybe you have heard about C Sharp but don't really know what it is. Don't worry, in this video I will explain C Sharp in very simple and easy way. So hi everyone, welcome to DevLogicStudio. This is the beginning of our C Sharp series where I will teach you step by step from basic to advanced in a simple and practical way. So first, what is C Sharp? C Sharp is also known, or we are indicating C Sharp with C and hash symbol. So C Sharp is a programming language created by Microsoft. In simple words, it is used to build software and application. Now, the next question is what you can actually build using C Sharp. With C Sharp, you can create websites, desktop application and even games. So once you learn C Sharp, you are not limited to just one thing. You have multiple career options. Now you might hear another term along with C Sharp, that is .NET. Don't get confused. C Sharp is the language and .NET is the platform that runs your code. In simple way to understand this is C Sharp is like instructions and .NET is what actually execute those instructions. Now let's talk about why you should learn C Sharp. First, it is easy to learn, especially for beginners. Second, it is widely used in real companies. And third, it is very important for interviews because it helps you understand programming concept clearly. In this series on DevLogic Studio, we are going to start from the basics, then move to object oriented programming concepts, and after that we will build real project together. Now let's move to VS Code and see how a real C Sharp programming looks. Don't worry if the code looks confusing right now, just focus on one simple line, console.writeLine. This line is used to print output on the screen. When I run this program, you can see it prints hello world. And this is your first step into programming. So this was a simple introduction to C Sharp. From the next video, we will start coding step by step. If you are serious about learning C Sharp, make sure to subscribe DevLogic Studio and comment start so I know you are following this series. I'll see you in the next video.